folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. This is my dog Charlie. I am a registered nurse and a yoga teacher, and I help folks reduce pain, improve mobility, and find a little bit more balance in their life. Today we are going to do a 10-minute home walking workout. You don't need any fancy equipment, and as you can see, it's Christmas time around here, so I'm wishing everyone a bright and jolly season. So let's get right into this workout. So we're going to begin with our walk in place. We have 4 basic moves. This is the first one. We're just gonna walk here, moving your body, waking things up a little bit. So just 10 minutes. And we're gonna start right here, right now. Start to breathe in deeply and breathe out deeply. And take your time as you start to move, just noticing, checking in. How does it feel in your body today? Softly moving the arms front to back, picking up the feet a little bit more. And of course, if you are watching this on Christmas Day or even months later, I do just want to wish you from my heart and home to yours a very Merry Christmas and a very happy holiday season. A true honor and pleasure to be your guide walking here today and just supporting your wellness journey. And that's really why I started this channel, is to help folks all over the world just feel a little bit better in their bodies every single day. So thank you so much for being a part of this community, for showing up, pressing play, saying, hey, I think I can do this today. I'm going to stick here till the end. And just creating some positive change in your life and the lives of those around you. So thank you so much for giving this a try. All right, we're gonna go into our next move. It's a knee lift. So lift a knee, lift a knee. Maybe give yourself a little love tap on the knee. Tap a hand, the opposite hand to opposite knee. Keep the spine upright. I want you to check in on my spine here. So I'm not hunched over, I'm not overextending my spine. Nice and upright here. And that's going to help protect our low back, and softly engaging the core muscles will do so as well. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go back to that walk in place. This is our home base. If you ever get hung up on a move, come right back here. Walk it out. So for me today, it is cold outside. It's raining and windy. So I've opted to do my home workout inside, and I ask you to come along for the journey here. That's what I love about home walking, is it's so adaptive to any time you need a little break. You can do this right here in your own home. No fancy equipment needed, and you get in a great little workout in under 10 minutes or around 10 minutes. All right, let me show you the next move, kicks. So reaching both arms out if that feels okay. Keep the spine upright and breathe here. If you are working towards balance, you may have a chair or a wall close by. Maybe just keep a hand on that support system. Or maybe go for the gold and reach both arms out. Sweet, you got this. Together we've got this, right? You're supported by a whole group of walkers all around the world that are coming along for these walking workouts, showing up, saying yes to your health and self-care, and being a part of something beautiful and great, and it's just a growing community. If you would like to help support my growing community, please feel free to subscribe to the channel, maybe even share this video with a friend. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. So good. Check in on that breath. And let's get right into that last move. So it's a side step. I'm going to step down the hallway here. We're going to step and step, just side to side. Use the space you got. Right? If you have a smaller space than me, just keep the feet a little bit closer. If you have more room, maybe you go into double side steps. See what works for you. Just keep moving, notice the breath. Maybe it's increased a little bit here. Maybe your heart rate's starting to raise a bit. That's what we want. We want to strengthen that heart muscle, the most important muscle in our body, in my humble opinion. Right? Keep it strong and healthy. That's where all the magic happens, right? Here we are for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back to your walk in place. So we nailed those 4 basic moves. You got them down. Let's add on. We'll add a little layer onto these moves. Nice job. Keep going. Let's take a wider stance. So feet are kind of wide here. There we go. Feet are wide. Give me those knee lifts. Maybe today, opposite hand taps, opposite knee. What does that do to those backside muscles? See if you can fire them up, turn them on. Call them the muscles of independence, and keep them strong and healthy. You know, the glutes, the thighs, the back end. And make sure that they're strong and healthy in all seasons of life so that we can move about our day with ease and confidence, moving from seated to standing, floor to standing. So important. Stay active. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, walk it out. I really think the key to staying active is consistency, but also finding something you enjoy. So if you love these walking workouts, keep up with these. If your jam is something else, like, you know, pickleball or swimming or hiking, biking, stick with it. Find something you enjoy, something that motivates you, something that lights you up in the morning. You say it to yourself, I cannot wait to give that workout a try. There's something out there for everyone, and this might be for you. And I sure hope it is. I love it. Nice job. Kick it out, both arms reach. I will tell you, back in high school, my mom and I started these walking workouts together. It was cold. We needed a way to stay active during the winter time. And we just gave this a try, and we kind of just stuck with it. And that was over 20 years ago. So I never stopped, and neither did she. She joins me each week in my online academy where we walk on Thursdays about a mile together. It's a 30-minute practice. And if you'd like to learn more about Emily's Wellness Academy, please go to my website, emilydaugherty.com. Over there you can see all the resources and stuff that we have going on inside this private community online. For 3, 2, and 1, walk in place. Woo! I don't know about you, but I am starting to get sweaty here. I love it. Feels good to move the body in a joyful way. And you're doing that, my friend, right here, right now. Widen your stance a little bit for me. Let's go into, let me come up here. Okay, we're gonna go into a crossbody punch. So give me a big punch across here. A little twist for the torso. Whew. Have some fun. You might be going faster or slower than me. It's all good. Just as long as you're moving, you're doing this workout right. Maybe you're walking here in place. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. So good. We're coming up on 10 minutes. You got this. Look how fast this time goes. It just flies by when you're having fun. When you find that sweet spot, when you're like, yes, this is the workout for me. I needed this today. I don't know about you, but I definitely did. Get those knees up, knee lift, and lift the arms. Oh yeah, go right into that one. Great for the back muscles, strengthening the core. Whew. Talk a lot about the 360 core. So the abdomen, the front of the core, and also, of course, the back muscles. So important. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Breathe. Deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Definitely try to take that talk test. You know, say a 5 to 6 word sentence. If you get too winded, back out of it a little bit. That's a great way to gauge the intensity and make this workout work for you. Because really my goal here is to get everyone to that finish line. And we are definitely coming up on it very soon. Keep going, my friends. Let's go. Take the feet wide again. Nice job. Give me a kick back. Come up here. Hopefully you can see. We're going to kick back and back. So get the lower body activated. Nice. Then maybe raise the roof, reach the arms high. We'll pull the elbows down as that foot comes up towards your backside. Yes, you said yes, you showed up. I'm so proud of everyone who's here. Well over halfway, we're coming up on our 10 minutes already. Keep it going, my friends. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. Whew. High fives, guys. You got this. Keep going. want to remind everyone, I want you to drink lots of water after this workout and throughout the day. Take good care of yourself. Maybe take a little break after this for a couple of cool down stretches. I'll leave a video for you to practice along with me. Here we go. Let's finish up. We're here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, you did it. 10 minutes of walking in the books. Go ahead and keep moving a little bit here. Don't stop just yet. We're not going to skip the cool down. So reminder, just start to slow down here. Maybe keep the feet moving, but just a little taps, little lifts off the ground. And then try a mindful breathing technique with me. Let's inhale, bring the hands to shoulder height. And then exhale, just start to push that away. Slow those feet down. Inhale, in your own pace. Exhale, let it go. Quieting the mind and the body, slowing everything down, coming back to that state of balance, homeostasis. Really love to take a holistic approach to our health and wellness. So inside the academy, you'll learn about nutrition, fitness, stress management techniques, much more. We support women all over the world. Our focus is women's health. My goal is to help every woman just feel the best version of themselves every single day. I'd love to invite you along for the journey. Give me one more round of mindful breathing. And if you are interested, go to my website, emilydaugherty.com. Plant the feet on the ground. Take one arm to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, side body stretch. Release that arm, and then maybe the other side. We'll inhale up and exhale. A nice big fold here. You can look up or down. Feel it out. Breathe long and deep. Release that. Shake it out. Try this knocking on heaven's door. Loosen up through the arms. Arms are like spaghetti here. Soft bend in the knees. Find a little rotation. Maybe a little low back love tap here. Slowing things down. Recentering the mind and the body. When we do these movement practices, we do kind of drop out of the mind and get into the body. Be more mindful throughout the rest of the day. There's always an invitation to slow down. Breathe well. 3, 2, 1. Well done, my friends. Shake it out. Big round of applause to you and all the folks joining us live around the world. Thank you so much for being here, and I do wish you a very happy holiday season. God bless. Take good care. Bye-bye.